Sack and Diagon appears to cancel Barasa.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. My name is Eric Kariuki'S. I'm instructed by the Law Society of Kenya to appear for the family, and I will be assisted by my colleague Vincent Kasukwa. He's not here in the High Court.
Your Honor, my name is Murage. I do wish to appear for the family of the deceased.
Earlier issued an order of detention continuing for a period that lapses today. However, the Independent Policing Oversight Authority has advised that they are yet to complete the investigations, which was part of the reason for the grant of the order of detention continuing. They therefore requested that we make an application, a further application for extension of that order of detention continuing, which we have done pursuant to the application dated 3rd of July 2025 and supported by the affidavit of Sarah Mwea, which application sought an extension of a further 14 days. The affidavit in support indicated how much has been covered and how much is yet to be covered. So, we shared the position with the counsel for the respondents. I have just confirmed them because I've seen there was a prayer C with regards to DNA. But I must inform the court that there was an agreement to the extent of the extension of time. And the parties agreed at 7 days. Having noticed prayer C, I must also inform the court that they are not agreeable to the prayer for extraction of DNA. I think for purposes of this application, we shall drop the prayer C and we shall agree to them being held for the further 7 days instead of the 14 we had sought. dropping of prayer C is on the basis that we reserve the right to make proper applications for the extraction of DNA. And so that they may not. We hope that they will not use it as a basis for res judicata later on for us. But yes, that's in passing. I think that's all. So we, in a sense, we are agreeable that the respondents can be held for a further period of 7 days, which expires on the 10th of July 2025. We are most of that.
Abdirazak? Your Honor, yeah, it is, that is the position we have agreed, prosecution, that the accused be held for another 7 days at the Capital Hill Police Station. Respondent in the matter for another period of 7 days, so that the investigation, IPOA can do the investigations. Yes, and then maybe from there, maybe you'll be guided.
That is the position, Your Honor.
Well, that is the position, Your Honor. We have no objection. You can come before you date, July 2025.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. Just to, I was actually conferring with the prosecution here. Just to inform the court that the victim actually sadly succumbed. I think that was on Monday at around 3:15 p.m. But we have no objection to the agreement entered into between the prosecution and the defense.
Your Honor,
Yes, Mr. Brown.
we do not have any objection to the extension of 7 days.
So, Mr. Morani, counsel, also just pass my deepest condolences and sympathies to the family of the late. Is it Boniface?
Yes, it is accepted.
Yeah, kindly convey my condolences.
No, they actually,
Yeah.
the court could have the advantage of just passing.
Oh, yes, please. Maybe if they can just
Family?
kindly have to stand. So, on behalf of myself and the judiciary, we are deeply sorry for your loss. My heartfelt condolences for the loss of your king. So, Pauline Sana, and just to assure you that, and affirm that justice will be served. So, Pauline Sana.
Much obliged.
So on the same page, Your Honor, in behalf of this second respondent, Polisana, to the family of Boniface.
It's so sad that it happened. Dennis, we are quite sorry for the very emotional thing, and we are very sorry for whatever that happened, for the death of our brother, a young brother, and a promising one for that matter. And we pray as our court really conferred that justice will be served and all parties shall get justice. For any son. For any son.